Cassidy, we're gonna finish our task and maybe level up.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, rob museum without dying, rob two smalls without dying.
I'm so excited.
Bust some criminals in a bank robbery.
Arrest the criminal with 1,000 bounty.
Okay, we're waiting for Mika.
Ah, jailbreak.
Ow! Ow!
Ah. Can jailbreak just load? Go, go, go. Okay, so yeah. Okay, maybe we should go here. Then press this.
Ooh, I escaped. Drone.
Okay. Ah, when is jailbreak loading?
It says that you joined the game.
Oh. Ah, jailbreak! 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 Yes! The museum open.
Check your task.
Okay, so let's check my contract. Break out someone out of their handcuffs, rob two small stores, gas station, donut without dying.
Oh no.
And call cargo plane. Call cargo plane 3 times, arrest 4 criminals. Ah! Wait, let's see how much XP I
You
get.
need to go to the
40
vote
XP,
bike.
40
You need to get the
XP.
vote bike.
70 XP!
Mika, you need to get the vote bike because I have the same task as you.
What?
Mika, I'm gonna pick you up in the yard.
Okay. Let's see what happens. Yes, the army Harry. Let's go. You're on the road. Ah. It's okay, you got a gunshot. In that city, it's better because you don't even ragdoll, but sometimes it happens.
It happens, but their ragdolls know.
Yeah. So I need binoculars. I don't need the smoke grenades. I just need. Ah! Let me. Hey.
Okay.
Take on. Okay, come on. So I'm gonna check.
Alright, go on your vote bike.
Why?
I have the same task as you.
Okay. But break out.
Okay, we'll do that later.
Okay. Rob 2 small stores. Wait, I need to do.
Come on, let's go to museum.
Wait, I need to do the vote bike match. There. Vote bikes are faster than Tommy Rose. Okay. And I forgot to tell you today's Noah's birthday. I'm gonna vlog about it. Because it's Noah's birthday.
Jailbreak Pro has a C4 and he did that to me. And then they just explained. Without me.
Ooh. I'm gonna grab this picture. There. They're gonna say, how did I get it back? Okay. No more. Seriously? You took the jewelry already?
There's a baby.
Yes.
How can I just tell?
I need the mask. Wait, a dog barked. I think there's a campo.
Go to the other side.
Yes, there is a campo. Okay, pull museum rifle.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Okay.
What?
Oh, Oh no, there's a camper old man.
Yay, Pony! Thanks, Pony. If you're watching this video, thanks to Pony.
Yeah, I escaped! Wow! Haha! You never get to arrest me.
No, I can't rob the museum. No, Pony!
Wah! So
and
here's
he
the
went
easy way.
arrested.
Here's the evil way. No! No! Ooh, ah. Wait, what? Okay, it's just. Ooh. Wait, I found a secret that if you have this Asimo 3089, you can just zoom in him then. Ah! You can see a eye. But never mind. So it's just get the pistol and the SWAT gun. You know what? No, a pistol and a shotgun. You know why I need this pistol? Cause it's a SWAT pistol. Okay.
This is Pony.
Is that his gun? Okay, come on to the gun shop.
I'm gonna friend with Pony because he's good. He's a nice man.
I think he won't accept it because bacon is don't accept food.
But some
Yeah, some of them like SWAT. I want to introduce people to SWAT.
It's this camper.
We need binoculars. Okay. It's that guy at the museum.
Yeah, it's him.
Someone just arrested Teopo, that guy from the museum. So, I need to rob 2 small stores. Ah! Finally, that glitch happened. Okay, I need to unzoom. Good. And I have to lock.
What's the... Oh, yeah. Wait, do you need me for a bounty?
No.
What's your other
Okay, let's rob the donuts. It says without dying. So this is gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad CC.
Just say it was me if they're attacking you.
Yes! Okay, got it out. My vault. I need like the gas station. So we're going on the vault like have a treat, 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 have a treat. The vault like is glitchy when you go out the road, so stay in the road. There's a Simo. Wait! If Asimo's there, how is he here? I think this is baby Asimo. Yeah, baby Asimo. Hey, go away.
Museum is open. Let's go.
Okay. Wait, I think there's another guy because I need to finish my gas. Is there other guy? It's just like make trees. It's make the vote by trees. Yeah. Vote by trees. There's a big mountain. Big trail.
Go inside.
Why?
No, put your road bike inside.
What inside?
Inside my ordinary passenger. See if you can fit it.
Hey, you're not going down.
Oh, it's that one?
Ah!
Okay.
This is a great shot. Oh. So we're both waiting at the gas station and just wait. The donut shop opens. There we go. Let's just look in our binocular. You see? Do you see him? Oh, he's gone. Did you see that guy? We can see stuff far away. Like, the small store is open. Yes! Time to finish this task. Okay, holding knee. Just go. Dale, and we're about to reach level 10. As you can see, we're about to reach level 10. So what should I do now? So I need to break out someone out of their handcuffs after Tail Pro just finishes Rob Museum without dying. Can you?
You need to lock the small store.
Oh,
Because
okay.
I'm gonna finish my food.
Okay.
And make sure you get to 1,000 pounds before after that I can rest.
I'm gonna get 1,600 pounds. Whoa. What? Museum! Ah! Ew!
Someone stole my online.
This is so fun. Ready to go back. Watch the Tail Pro buys the vault back. Yeah. Not only me. I'm not the only one who has a vault back. Tail Pro has a vault back. Wait. Secret hack how to go in Area 51. Put the force field there. Then go inside. Then start shooting. Yes, it's fake. Don't do that. It's fake.
Yeah, it's ending.
Yeah. The donuts. Okay. Ah, this is taking long. Wait, like at the afternoon, it's not gonna be a full movie, guys. It's gonna be like part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4.
Then
It's
you
gonna
can go
end.
ahead and connect it if you want.
Yeah, you can like go do recording app, then record the whole thing, then just edit it in iMovie, then watch it in your TV. Or just watch it in your iPad or iPhone or tablet, or Mac or PC or computer or laptop.
I got a vent on that camper car.
Just go ahead and drive our super fast boat bike. Yes. Wait, Kuya, tell them the story and then the guy who hates wolf bites.
No, I can't. There's some bad stuff.
So I'll just tell it. So once upon a time,
There was a little man.
no, once upon a time there was a little man. Teopro arrested the little man. Then the little man said, "Checking your money." Then he said, "I have a car that." Then he said, "I have a car that's more expensive than that." Then Teopro said, "I have an army heli and a drone." Then that guy said, "Prove it." Then someone was talking about vote bikes, and then the little man said, "I hate vote bikes." Then Teopro said, "Why?" Then Teopro said, "It's no." Then the little man said, "It's too fast." Then that vote bike lover said, "No, it's cool." Then the little man rage quit and stopped playing Roblox. Was that the story? The museum cookie! I'm going to... Wait, that was the story?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to the museum cookie!
I know.
Wait, I think there's a camper car.
Okay, I know.
Rob the gas station. Run! 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 Wait, how about... I forgot to tell you that... Wait, I forgot to tell you
Okay,
that...
guys, I'm about to wrap all up. I just need to do like a few more police tasks.
So,
Are you
guys...
done with your criminal task?
No, I need breakout some.
Okay.
So, as you can see, the Airtail's actually in Area 51. Oh, I wish new vehicles can go to the criminal base, because how could they keep on going to Area 51? Yeah.
Okay, turn on this side.
Okay. So, someone called Major Domino, one that subscribed to my channel, is coming. He's my Roblox friend.
No, alt account.
Yeah, alt account named Major
Go to the yard.
Okay.
I'm not the police.
Okay, I'm
Not
going.
in the walk by.
Okay. So what?
Stay at area 50.
Okay, so Teopro said stay at area 51.
Okay, make sure it goes to the yard.
Okay. So let's see.
Put it at the yard.
Okay, your friend Major Domino. Your friend Major Domino has joined the game.
Ow! I'm gonna die.
There. So guys, I'm just controlling Major Domo, and he's running here.
Mika!
Okay, here. Press enter password. Okay, I'm gonna accept my contract. Okay. Okay, so they're going to area 51 right now. I'm just gonna stay here. I hope I can level up. I'm so excited.
Also, Wyatt, I'm super close. Look at this. Okay,
Eject him! I'm ready to break out.
accept the contract.
Yes, I did.
Okay, go.
Hey, don't arrest him. Wait, I need to make him move.
Okay, ready,
Yeah,
set.
break out. Oh, 40 XP.
Okay, I'm gonna accept arrest criminal with. Oh, you don't have enough bounty.
I know. How
Come
about
on.
I rob the donut stop?
Yeah,
Okay,
No,
so
control your. No, just turn that off.
that was Major Dom, our autocue. But there was the other one named Bacon Roll.
Okay, go. But that one is cool.
Arrest criminals and punch police and kill criminals. We have a 900 pound. How about I kill you?
No.
Why?
You need to go somewhere secret. Go.
Okay, let's kill him.
I did it.
Okay, good. You didn't get it. There I have 1,000.
Can you go to area 51?
Okay. I didn't.
Go to the front.
Here we are.
Okay, I'm gonna arrest.
Oh!
Okay.
Arrest me!
Oh! Redeem! I redeemed it!
Wait for me, okay?
Okay, I will.
What?
I'm so happy! Thank you! Subscribe to Mika's channel!
And I have to arrest you 4 times.
After we
Hey!
I want to nuke!
No. I want to nuke. 2 nukes, remember? We're gonna launch it.
No, it doesn't work like that. It will be bad. We will die then we don't get the scheme.
Okay, pick me up. Okay, Tail Pro's gonna nuke right now. Then
Well,
I
I'm
will.
gonna try the cabin crew capsule.
Yeah, I'm gonna enter passenger. This is such cool. It's gonna be so cool.
Thank you. Please subscribe to McSpeedy for more content like this.
Okay, drive the cabin crew capsule. Oh, season 2 after.
Come on!
Oh. Serious?
Wow!
Oh, wow. Wait, seriously? I thought it could go higher than this.
Well, that's okay.
Yeah, it's
very
so cool.
Okay, let's get the Omni helmet.
This is slower than a commune, but I still like it.
Thank you to everyone who subscribed to McSpeedy.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Wait, why the drone? Oh yeah, the army.
So we can see the nuke.
Yeah. Okay, come on, let's nuke.
Go out with that. Okay.
Okay, we're back.
Let him see.
Okay, so we're back. Okay, we're gonna nuke.
Launch and nuke.
Stay in the passenger seat.
Okay.
Why do you need to run after?
No, I want to see you nuke.
Yeah, go.
I might wait for you, then it will take a long time.
Okay. Don't press it yet.
Go in the passenger seat.
Okay, so we're gonna nuke. It's gonna be cool. Launch the nuke. Okay. Start it. Okay, we're going. It's nuking.
Can we see how it launches?
It's already launched.
Where is the nuke?
Who's it?
There. It's going. Ah! Yes, I earned the radiant yellow paint color. That's what you get when you nuke the whole jailbreak.
That looks good.
Close the
Whoa.
door. Close the door. Okay, let's see how it looks like on the Omni Heli.
Yeah. Okay. Radiant. Okay, bye-bye, Galaxy.
Wait, what? We need to do this.
But
I need to
The
make a
texture.
OMG!
oh, do you like it?
Yeah, I'm so happy. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, I have to arrest you 4 times.
Okay, okay.
Okay, I'm switching to cop. What I did it?
I did the loop.
Okay, so I have to arrest you.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch. Oh no, someone else is gonna nuke too.
Ah! Okay, punch, 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 punch,
Wait, I want to.
punch, punch, punch. Okay, this guy's gonna pickpocket me. Come on, I need. How is he doing that? Yes.
He didn't reach prison. Oh, it reached prison. Oh, this is cool. Next is you.
I know.
I'm about to die.
What? Can you just come out?
I
Then
will.
keep punching. I'm gonna arrest.
Let that guy pickpocket me.
Ew. Giffen. Okay. Giffen pickpocket me. Yes. And I'm about to level up.
Okay, what's your last task?
Coco good trick.
Okay, I'm gonna have fun with my new car. Oh no, another nuke! Oh, what's happening?
Help! Help me!
What's happening?
Help!
Oh, this summer is over. It's so cool. It's so cool.
Go! Go! Take cover!
I wanna go in. I'm gonna go in.
Take cover! Take cover!
No, I'm gonna die. No! Ow, I'm gonna die.
Good thing I survived. That was scary. Oh, I need to go in the vents. That.
Ow.
Ow!
Thanks
Ow!
to everyone, we're able to get so much nukes.
Yes! People are nuking.
Well, it's fun.
Yeah. Help! I can't run. Oh, okay. Help me! I need a helicopter. Come here. Yes! My first arrest. Wait. You have walked through walls.
Tomorrow is Mika's turn.
What?
Tomorrow is your turn to launch the nuke.
Why?
It is.
How?
You're gonna level up. Today or tomorrow.
I hope today. Because it's 70 XP. Okay, let's go ahead and get my swords. Okay, let's go to the bank to get it. To finally get my... to finally get my little bird. Okay. Okay, so sorry that it's taking so long. Hey, I was just getting a little bird.
Look, a neon.
Neon. The best. Okay, let's go ahead and grab a little bird. Yeah. Okay. This is gonna be fun. Okay. So we have to go to the Golden Gate Bridge. There. So you can see the airport.
I think there's another new game coming. Someone said.
It's Nuke Mania, guys.
Oh no, there's gonna be another new.
I need to take cover.
Ooh, this is so fun.
I think we take. Yes. He said die. Someone said die. Yeah, someone said die. Sorry for this for taking so long.
It's because tasks are not that easy.
Yeah. This is how we usually do tasks.
What's gonna be the name of this video?
Getting the
No.
getting the
Getting
cabin. No, getting the cabin crew spaceship and nuke me and everyone is nuking. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's go to check that slowly cargo plane.
This is a warning, guys. The cabin crew spaceship is super hard to control.
Yo. Let's rob this boat. This freaking boat. Okay. No, it's going away. Have you ever went out the map?
I have a lot of time.
There's the car. And have you ever seen the sailboat? Like that sailboat over there? Dun, 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 dun. So, Teoko just started a jewelry robbery.
It's back to normal, guys. Yesterday, the graphics were so cool,
Yeah. How about we just chase that cargo? Or maybe. Oh, okay. So when you driving around, like stop right there. Then try and climb up those stuff. Then go there. Then you see camping cops. I'm gonna write it up for you. So
show them. Don't move.
Okay, so I need to go near. So there they are, the camping cops. Ah, I got ragdolled. Okay, let's go up. Okay, so here are the camping cops. Right there. And then that guy's telling a bad story. He's so scared. Let's try and go to their tent. No, we can't. How do they all fit in there if they're all... I think those people sweep on the log and he sweeps in there. Don't ever go to the campfire, you die. Yeah, don't ever. Yeah, I got damaged a lot. Help, I need to go in my little... So this is the camp. Oh, he just went here. He just went here.
Ow, 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 ow!
Okay, I think we can call the cargo plane. Yeah. Oh yeah, we have to wait seconds. That's gonna take a... You can actually do stuff inside vehicles. E, so it
You
says...
can read the G.
Yes, wait. Someone's coming.
Yeah, a G. And also me.
Oh, he just... Yeah. That guy's
You
so
wanna
scared.
ride?
No. Okay. Oh wait, I want to ride. I want to ride. I want to ride. So that guy just, when he saw me, it's wrong. When he saw me, he just, wait, what's that called? Oh yeah, combat round. He just combat round on me. But I didn't want to arrest him.
There's a good thing.
Yeah, I'm just gonna equip the galaxy. Oh. Wait, I'm gonna check if this has a rope. It doesn't. It's so glitchy. I'm just getting out.
It's not glitchy because it's supposed to spin.
Oh yeah. Help! Okay, I'm gonna use this. So yeah. Hey, this guy! Kill him! Kill him! I'm gonna punch him.
Ow, 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 ow.
There. Yes.
Can I get the key? Yeah.
Wait, how did... What? He just caught it while he was dead.
Wait, I need
Okay,
to
get the key. I
I'm
have
having
to wait
fun
another
with
time.
I'm having fun with my new cabin piece.
Yeah. Wait, I want to try and shoot down it.
I don't want that to happen. I know it will. It will fall down because it always does.
He just caught that cargo plane.
He called me a hacker.
People, that guy was sweating when he was trying to arrest Teo Pro. People who sweat, they're like,
Tryhards.
yeah, they're tryhards and they say hacker every time someone beats them. This one is... Okay, go. Open up. Oh, I wish I can glitch in. That guy's so mean. Because he just called Teo Pro. to wait a minute. Yeah, you can just skip the video if you want. Yeah, skipping is just okay for me. When you skip the video, when you're skipping the wait. My window.
cabin crew capsule!
Who did? Who
Someone
stole?
hooked it!
Huh.
At least I have a jetpack.
Yeah. Jetpack. Jetpack. Da-da-ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba.
I recommend you have it because it's super fun and easy. It's not that, it's super controllable, but when you just start using it, it's not good.
Yeah. You think it's good, but it's actually bad. But
It's good at doing stuff. Oh no, Camper, oh man.
oh, let's keep running and running and running. Oh. Oh. That is a roof structure. Yeah. Oh. So leave the road spike trap like that. No one can ever see my hand. No one can ever see my hand. Yeah. Wait, I think it's available. I'm never gonna let someone do this. Yeah, I'm never. Okay. Wait 132 seconds, just skip the video. Skip the video. Yeah. Skip the video.
Or you can just end it.
What?
You can just end it.
No. Oh, I have to do saves. Open saves. Now I need to get like
Do
this.
some action, Mario, because people will get bored. You bought the tier 2 save.
I know. Duplicate this now.
Crazy though.
Yeah, finally. Okay, let's do some action. Meanwhile, a camper saw a cabin crew spaceship and another YouTuber has appeared. And I can't damage him. Yeah, I can't damage him. And then I went inside the cabin.
L.
Then I started shooting him. Then he teleported away. Then he's dead. Then we zoom in and try to make his car bop. Yeah. There, it bopped. Now we have to run because he's angry. And then he jetpacks. Then we steal his cabin crew spaceship. Wait. I can buy it! I can buy it! I
But
can.
don't.
Okay.
Tomorrow buy it if you can.
Oh yeah. Okay, so and store his cabin crew spaceship. Oh, he's up there. That's his dog. To go in the mountain.
Action movie.
Yeah, and he killed the died. Never! I need to call the cargo plane.
Go try it. The man of Monopoly.
The man is the monopoly.
Yesterday we almost got banned from Mad City. I don't know why.
Yeah, I don't know. You can just like leave the video.
But if you're a true fan, you wouldn't do that.
Yeah. Okay, just wait.
Or you can just end it.
No, I'm talking. You can just skip it. Skip the video all the way to the making part. This task is taking so long.
I wouldn't skip it if I were you.
Yeah. Just don't skip it. Or if you want to.
If you did, tomorrow is his reveling up.
What leveling up?
Tomorrow he should revel.
No, but it's 70 XP.
Okay. He might revel up today. Let's see.
Okay, there's the cargo plane.
Cargo
Yeah, cargo plane.
I forgot to get it.
Let's get smashed. Yeah. It's not a without that. Oh, we just got.
Whoop. Just
Help me! Help me! Close already! This is a bad idea. Can you just move? Move!
I'm so happy with my new stage.
Okay, finally it closed. You can just skip it if you're a true fan though. I hope this is not like 50 minutes.
Yeah. If it is, Mika will say, just skip it. And now he's already asking me to skip it. But true
Skip it!
fans,
Skip it! Skip it!
True fans will stay.
Yeah. Stay my true fans. What do you like more?
Back.
Real life videos or Roblox videos or the Dino Show?
Can I have?
Okay.
The Dino Show is a real life.
No, it's a show.
But it's real life. It's in real life.
Oh yeah.
Hey, can you not look down?
That's our Giga.
Look, two of my cabin please think it's down.
Okay, I think the cargo plane robbery ended. Oh, it's already flying. Oh, it's fine. Plane is. Oh, it's fine. Oh, it's fine. Oh, it's
If you're
fine.
not that rich, you should have this spaceship.
Yeah, have it.
Wait, what if you didn't skip that tree? Yeah, it is.
I know.
Wait. What if you didn't skip that 2000 bounty times? Do you think you would be ever there?
Yeah. Okay, let's see if it's seconds. Wait, 100. 9 seconds. I know.
Tomorrow, I'm sure he has the cabin crew space.
Tomorrow?
No, I know you're gonna have it already. Tomorrow. You're gonna already.
Tomorrow?
No, you might have it today, but you will already have it tomorrow. You will have it tomorrow.
Oh,
I will see you using it tomorrow.
oh yeah.
But
Wait, 110, 109, 108,
still do my
107,
other
106, 109, 104, 103, 102, 101, 99.
Just dance there.
Okay, let's do thrashy dance. Wait, beside this. Thrashy dance. Fire!
It looks like a disco ball. Okay, Kota Cargo playing now. Looks like a disco.
Quick, check me.
Okay, go.
Go. Pow. 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. Run! Help! Wait, drop me up there. Drop me up there.
Yeah.
Drop me up to the cargo plane. 75.
Force field.
There. Yes, I didn't level up. I didn't level up, guys.
Okay, so we're gonna end the video here.
Like and subscribe to my channel, and we will see you guys next time.
Surprise for you. You already saw it at the beginning. It has a new intro.
Yeah.